Hi teacher, today I am going to talk about the Lena story. I think Lena made a quick decision. She didn't think about the consequence, and maybe she was decided uh, by her emotions. For me, definitely she didn't make a right choice. If I had been in her position, I wouldn't have spent all the money. I would have used only part of the money from the dream, but I would also try to get some benefits from pictures. Uh, it was wrong uh, to just travel and take photos, but also promote these pictures, get some followers in Instagram or Facebook, uh, or create a personal brand. I don't know, but in my case, I will have also keep some savings. Uh, Lena shouldn't have let her emotions control her. I believe she should have taken more time to think. Thanks, teacher.